How does Python array broadcasting work? Have you ever wondered how Python can handle operations between arrays of different shapes so effortlessly? Let's break down the concept of array broadcasting in the context of Python 4 data analysis and the NumPy library. Array broadcasting allows you to perform arithmetic operations on arrays of different shapes without needing to reshape them manually. This feature is especially useful when working with large datasets, as it simplifies your code and improves performance. First, let's talk about dimension alignment. When you perform operations onto arrays, NumPy compares their shapes starting from the last dimension and moves left. This is important because it helps determine how the arrays will interact with each other. Next, if the arrays have different numbers of dimensions, the array with fewer dimensions gets padded with ones on the left side. This means that both arrays will have the same number of dimensions, making them compatible for operations. Now let's check for compatibility. For each dimension, the sizes are compatible if they are equal or if one of them is 1. If neither condition is met, NumPy will raise an error, indicating that the arrays cannot be broadcast together. Once compatibility is confirmed, we move on to broadcasting behavior. Dimensions with a size of 1 are virtually expanded to match the size of the other array in that dimension. This expansion is conceptual, meaning no actual data copying occurs, which keeps things efficient. For example, consider adding a single number, also known as a scalar, to a one-dimensional array. The scalar is treated as if it were an array of the same shape as the one-dimensional array, with the scalar value repeated for each element. Another example is adding a one-dimensional array to a two-dimensional array. The one-dimensional array is broadcast across the rows of the two-dimensional array if their trailing dimensions align properly. This broadcasting feature has many practical applications. You can use it to scale images by color channels, add Bayes terms to matrices, or perform vectorized mathematical operations without writing explicit loops or reshaping arrays manually. In summary, array broadcasting in Python is a powerful tool that simplifies operations between arrays of different shapes. By understanding how it works, you can write cleaner and more efficient code, making your data analysis tasks smoother and more enjoyable.